Today we are going to learn about the 8051 simulator. Using this 8051 simulator, how we can run a 8051 assembly language program. Before going to this 8051 simulator, we learn about how to install or what are the software requirement required to run this 8051 assembly language program using this 8051 simulator. Here the 8051 simulator is EDSIM51 dynamic interface. DI means dynamic interface simulator. This is a Java based simulator. So it should run on any operating system that has Java runtime environment installed. So before installing this EDSIM51 simulator, we should ensure that you must install J2RE, that is Java 2 runtime environment. If your computer have already J2RE installed, then you just invoke or you don't have to install J2RE. Otherwise, you need to install J2RE using this. Click on this Java button. After installation of Java J2RE, you can view it in a folder here like JRE 8U29D1 Windows x64. After installing this, next step is to install EDSIM51 simulator. This simulator is a package in one file called EDSIM51DI zip. So you can get that file using download button. Using here, we just click on here. Then you will get this zip file. Then from that zip file, you unzip or extract it, and it containing two files, lib file and EDSIM51DI jar file. Then when click on this jar file, EDSIM51DI.jar file, then when we here it will, this is the EDSIM51DI. We extract this. There is a zip file is here. I extracted that zip file into another folder. So EDSIM51DI will open. Then it containing two files. One is lib file, another one is EDSIM51DI. When click on this EDSIM51DI, we will get a environment for running your program like this. This is a editor window. You can type our program here, and these are the status here, and this is a data memory, and when click on this data memory, it will change to code memory, and there are registers are there, 8 registers are there, R0 to R7 registers are there, and here PSW is program status word, that is flag, and here it is B register, accumulator, PSW, IP, IE, different registers are there here, SP stack pointer, then here timer mode and timer controller, then receive data, transmit data. These are for serial communication, and these are TH0 and TL0 are the registers used for timer 0, and TH1 and TL1 are the registers used for timer 1, and here system clock and its frequency. These are used for serial buffer, and there are four ports are the P0, P1, P2 and P3. And here DAC, this is DAC, digital to analog converter, and here there is a keypad is there. We can write the or data directly, and here LED 7 segment LED displays here. Then this is for serial data communication, and here ADC, analog to digital converter, and this is motor, stepper motor program is here. And next, how to run a program using this simulator. So we can run a program like, first I want to add two numbers. For example, move I already done that program. Addition of two 8-bit number. How to add a two 8-bit number? Here, first move a comma. It is a case in insensitive language, so we can write either in a capital letter or small letter. Move a comma hash 05h. Here it means that data 05 is copied into accumulator. Then add a comma 05h. It means add the accumulator content with 05h. Then this is a move R0 comma hash 35h. That means R0 is a one of the register here. R0 content is, or the location of that destination result will be displayed on this R0. So that location is specified here 35. Then we start a loop. Then content, after addition we will get the result in the accumulator. So accumulator result will be stored into this location hash 35. Then jump loop, we will repeat this procedure. So this is our program, and we execute this program. We are click on this assembler, assemble the source code. Then corresponding address of each location will be displayed here. And if you want to run, here there is no errors. If any errors is there, it will be displayed here. Then we can run the program. When we execute this program, here check this R0 content. Before execution it will be 00, and here we need to display the result in the location 35. So here just look here, 35 is this location. Here there is no values. After execution, this what here R0 content will be 035. That is here. Accumulator content, what is accumulator? 05 plus 05, 10. 10 is equivalent to hexadecimal value 0a. So 35 containing the result 0a. This is our first program, how to run or add a to 8-bit number using 8051 simulator and run this program how to display the output.